The residents of Rancho Camelot Estates want things to be perfect.
The homeowner's charter, which you signed, says the grass is supposed to be 2 inches, and yours is more like 2.5.
So they built a hedge to keep the animals out.
It never ends!
Whoa! Hey!
It never ends that way, too.
What do we do for food? Hey, kids!
What is that? BHA, BHT, and good old MSG, a.k.a. the chip. Dig in!
Now the lines have been drawn.
Over that hedge.
They have the food.
How much food?
Food out the wazoo. I like a cookie.
And the battle
I need a business listing for the Verminator.
is on.
Large party.
From the creators of Shrek and Madagascar.
I think he's dead.
Oh, really? Do you, in fact, have an associate's degree from VermTech?
Oh, thank you all for coming.
Bruce Willis, Gary Shandling, Steve Carell,
I can burp my ABCs!
William Shatner, Wanda Sykes, and Nick Nolte.
Time's up, RJ.
You feel that buzzing in the back of your skull?
Yeah.
That's called sugar rush. Whoa! The last thing you need is caffeine.
Oh, taste the adventure.
Sweet Jesus.
That's a diaper.
Not a very good one.
Dress to impress.
I got makeup on my butt, dude.
It is bold. I like it.
And join the whole family.
Animals are in the house.
Uh-oh.
Turn that thing off!
DreamWorks Over the Hedge.